my name is Sahir EV3D2, and today I will be presenting a robot called R2D4 that originally comes from the idea of R2D2. I am 12 years old, and this is my robot. The static components I used on this robot were the beams, the pegs, and more. The dynamic parts I used on this robot were the wheels and the axles and the bushings. The electronic parts I used on this robot was the remote, the EV3, the touch sensor, the infrared sensor, the color sensor, and the motor inside the robot, the very back. The programming blocks I used for this were many weight blocks, move blocks, and some switch blocks. The weight blocks are used to tell them to wait until a certain button is pressed for a certain movement or sound. My goal for this robot was to make it move and respond to the controls from these three buttons, and there's a little demo of my robot. So it makes R2D2 sounds. There is no drifting on this robot.
Awesome. Any questions? Any question, guys?
Okay, anyone have questions for him?
How did you program the R2D2 sounds into it?
I used the sound file and I uploaded it to the programming software, and then I used it in the sound block from the files, and then I programmed it. When I press this button, it will play the sound.
All right. Any other questions, guys? Yes.
Okay, how challenging on the programming this project compared to the last, all the last project you have done before?
To be honest, this was my most difficult project I have programmed, because it required a lot of testing and many failures and like a lot of logic thinking. Any other questions? All right.
Any other questions? Awesome.